Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to another video. We survived the night. No bears, annoying bird, but we love birds, so it is what it is. But look at that view. You can't really see anything right now because of the sun, but you can see so much more than last night, and it's gorgeous. We're going into the depth. I told you. Look at it. It's so beautiful. But think about the fishing. On the frog, where is it?
Right there. See it?
I do see him. Look at him. He's sticking his little head out. Hey, bro.
Make him jump. Oh, there's another one right there.
And here we have the humble frog.
Nature beauty. What the fuck is this?
Bye-bye, frogs. Bye-bye. We got our brats and we got our buns, which I should flip because they're kind of getting hot. Breakfast is being... Also, where the my buns? You guys got your buns.
No, that's our bun.
Oh, you didn't want your buns still? Oh, okay. I was like, damn.
Yes.
I'm over here grilling and y'all forgot about me. Go put your condiments. And then come back. Yeah, actually, could you get my buns? Here, I'll put it. Slap it off. Boom. I'm sorry, I put it on your finger.
Cut that out.
Okay, there you
Yeah, those were chilling on the side. What do you want on this?
go. No!
It'll be mine. I'll eat it. You want to get the water?
Alright.
No good access to the lake.
Not from over here.
Not from anywhere.
What you mean?
From our spot.
We have our little spot over there. Oh, there's this. Ow! Mosquito, bro. We're looking for wood to whittle. We're looking for widow wood. Not little wood. Widow wood. Oh, widow. Nature's awesome. Quiet, but not really. You just gotta listen close, and you can hear everything around us. It's pretty great. It's gorgeous. But we're back. We are back to camp.
First hiking trip.
Woo!
That way.
Hold on, I'll tell you right now. Here. He's setting up the drone. Are you taking lift off right now? Look at the drone. Can you guys see the drone? Where is the drone? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. It is right there. Jesus Christ.
I don't know. I didn't have a sense of distance.
We're gonna get all the shots.
Really get it over there.
See, imagine if we were looking at doing this through Juan's tablet, that'd be great.
We can download the app later and try it out. But do you need data? No, right?
This is pretty fucking sick, dude.
Is it now?
Look at this lake. I guess I should take some pictures. No, it's video. Damn it. Took like a second or 4 pages.
Records 4K?
Nice. Which is fucking picture of the lake.
Be careful with the trees.
Yeah, no, that's why I had it there, so there's no trees. I'm immediately putting over the fucking lake. It's just trees around here. It's just a bunch of trees.
Oh, you're pretty high up.
Max altitude reached.
I could take it higher than that. That's just the legal limit. Here, do you want to see the surroundings?
All right, here we go. Okay. Look at it. You're watching me. Watch you. That's so cool.
I wouldn't record too much of just like
Okay.
4K video that isn't something actually interesting because it'll take up space.
Okay.
Oh, it's a bird.
That's a bird.
Yeah, you
It
can see it.
sounds like a coyote. Where? Where do you see the bird?
In the water? It's on the lake?
Is it?
Is it cool? Is that a loon? Is that what a loon sounds like? I don't know. I can see why it would be called a loon if that's what it sounds like.
Anyways, that's enough recording. Boom.
You can still fly around.
Boom. We're fishing. We tried fishing. We don't have bobbers. So we're going to go buy bobbers. We're going to go rent a... Boom. We're heading out.
The difference between daytime and nighttime.
I know. It looks beautiful during the day. During the night, it looked like horrors. Horrors.
How is that?
Scary.
Horse.
It is
12,
125.
125?
125. Remember, we're an hour ahead. Boom, we made it to the gas stop. Woo, with 20 miles of gas.
We met up with Steuben.
We met up with Steuben.
He doesn't know how much we needed this.
Yeah.
This one's
I wonder what that could be. We got the paddles. Canoe boys. So let's go. Hopefully, we strapped it, so I got like
doesn't fucking
got a little strap on me right here. We're strapped in.
Looks hilarious in the back, dude.
All right, let's see. Look at that road.
To understand terms that will help you make the right choices before buying an annuity. And it's free.
God, Michigan
As a bonus, we'll also
Michigan is
throw in a
nice.
free
It is
annuity
beautiful.
rate.
Boom. We got the life jacket on, shorts. We got the canoe with everything that we could possibly need. We will see how this goes. Paddle. Ready? 3. Pick a side. Which side are you going to paddle?
This side.
Okay, go. Yeah, like that. There we go. Woo! Come on, Alexis. Wiggle. We got wiggle. Wiggle.
chugging away.
Oh, fuck that. Hold on.
We're literally like right out.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's gonna scare the shit out of me. I cannot swim very well.
Good job. You're filming everything. Good job. Good boy. I don't got corn. Bobber is follow the line. It's somewhere over there. Hold on. I'm gonna put my phone underwater and see if I can see any fish. Here we go. Checking underwater to see if there's fish.
for that right now.
No, but you can't fucking reel it in. Try reeling it in.
Alexa, turn around. Can you hold this?
Alright.
Can you hold this one? Hold fun.
Why? Well, I can't even hold it. You're not putting it all the way back.
No, actually,
Alright, we're back to base camp.
fishless.
Fishless. But a nice, relaxing time on the water. As you can see, I'm the only one actually rowing.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Oh, this fucker is fishing. This other fucker is fishing. Going back again. It took us about 12 minutes to do this.
That's not bad. It's not bad. Making it sound good, it's not bad.
I think we could have done it in 5. We just need to be in sync.
Chicken thigh, al pastor,
To be like
and our
photogenic.
own tortillas made with heirloom masa. One of Hawthorne's signature dishes. We change our menu.
Oh, you haven't done all 3 yet?
This bloom nose,
No,
this has been a
Alexis
staple
didn't open
since
them all the
day
way,
one.
so I have to like.
It's what she once said.
Because you only cut one corner.
Always the
of them.
blame
on the
game,
map.
Max.
Precisely what map would that be?
Oh.
Anyways, because we're always innovating and we fear irrelevance.
Dumb part, bad script. Fun shoot though.
Maybe it's a joke, because
Recording of it.
Yeah, I do. It is. Good night. End of day 2. We went canoeing, we went fishing. We did them at the same time. We had s'mores. It was fun. It was a day full of adventure. And tomorrow is just another day full of adventure.
And more whittling.
And more whittling. Say goodnight, Alexis.
He's behind us.
Night.
He's gonna start the car as a joke.